Rascal Runs Away by Paul Jennings, illustrated by Bob Lee. "Stay, Rascal," said Ben. Rascal did not stay. He ran after little Flora and became lost. A policeman took Rascal to the home for stray dragons. "We will find his owner," said the vet. "They have found Rascal," said Dad. "Hurry," said Ben. "We have to go and get him." Rascal did not like the home for stray dragons. The other stray dragons did not like it either. "Where is Rascal?" said Ben. "He ran away," said the vet. Rascal ran down the street. A lonely old man saw him. "I want that stray dragon," he said. Rascal ran into the station. A train driver saw him. "I want that stray dragon," he said. Rascal ran over a bridge. A little girl saw him. "I want that stray dragon," she said. Rascal ran through a park. A baby saw him. "Me want nice dragon," she said. They all chased Rascal. He ran as fast as he could. Rascal ran through the park and over the bridge. Rascal ran into the station and down the street. He ran all the way back to the home for stray dragons. The train driver saw the other stray dragons. So did the old man and the baby and the little girl. All the stray dragons found new owners. Everyone was happy, especially Rascal.